Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Refuses to Comply with Police, Never Ends Well."
Back up, back up. Who was that?
Do it.
Who was that?
Do
Back
it.
up.
Back
At 6 in the morning, back in.
On July 20th, 2024, officers were dispatched in reference to a domestic disturbance.
Do it. I was leaving. You attacked me. What you talking about?
It's a nice neighborhood.
What's going on?
Hello? Hello?
Could you give me a second?
Bye,
1 second.
goofy drunk ass. That's why you get by everybody. That's why you get by everybody and they leave.
How do you know?
She getting ran through? Oh man.
Or-
That's my sister.
Okay, so you guys are sisters?
Oh!
Did you guys...
No, it ain't my story, ho.
Did you live
Do
here?
something then.
Stop.
I'm sick of your dumb ass. I stay for you.
Stop. Hey, back up.
Who was that?
Back up.
Do it. Who was that? Do
Back
it.
up. Back
At
up.
6 in the morning, back in. I wasn't big as shit.
Stop.
I'll f you up right now.
Stop.
Like I f you up already.
Listen, there's no reason for that, so stop.
You. That's why you bleeding. Do it. Do it. Stop. Do it, ho. Well,
Oh! Got her together. Oh boy.
Well, clearly you didn't.
Wow. She came to my house this
I don't give a shit. When the officer tells you to back up, you don't then get up on his back and try to swing at her.
She didn't say back up. She
move, man.
Stop.
Move.
No reason for you to antagonize it, all right?
Can you move?
I'm not going to stop.
How am I antagonizing when she was
I
antagonizing?
understand.
Can you move?
I need you to sit
Can
down.
you?
Can
Okay.
you sit down?
Yeah,
Thank
I'll
you.
sit down.
Thank you.
Come my way, man.
Yeah, I'll sit down. Officer lets her go. Doesn't sit down. Goes on the phone.
You a goofy ass. Fuck you talking about? Goofy hoe. Took my shit out like you said.
So can you tell me what happened?
No.
I'm assuming you lived here for a little bit?
Where the f is you at, man? You started this shit, and now the f***ing police is here, and I need to leave. Come back and get my shit, because you was in the f***ing garage taking it with my f***ing sister, lying on me. I don't give a f***. Come back and get my shit so I can leave.
So I come out
Come
here.
back and get my shit. Come back and
She's
get
in
my
the
shit,
middle of the
please.
street with all her shit in there.
You
She's
started
accusing
this
her
shit.
of
Please
somebody
come back.
sleeping around. That's all I got. I had to separate her. And this J5 comes
On Tyler Grave,
charging
you
out of the
did.
fucking driveway.
You was in a
Obviously, what
cut.
you
You
guys
was in a fucking garage.
Stop.
Stop.
I need you to stop. I don't know what her problem is.
who's she fighting with?
They're sisters. They're sisters. Yes, they're sisters. And this sister here had all her shit out here in the driveway, in the street.
Okay.
She never went up there. She never walked out. I'm assuming they're kicking her out. That's what it looks like. Obviously, as you guys get here, this girl comes charging down the driveway and tries to attack her. So that's all we have so far.
So they were them fighting earlier.
Oh, they were the ones fighting her.
Where's my shoes? Move.
Stop.
I'm getting my shit. What do you mean?
I need your information.
You don't need shit.
Yes, I do.
You're gonna go to jail.
Okay, take me to jail. I don't give a
Why do you want to go to
Take me to
jail?
jail. I don't care. Move out of my way. Give me my shoes. You curve all them.
The logic with some of these people is just low IQ, man. That's all I can say, man. We need your information or whatever for our report, yada yada, whatever. Clearly something has taken place here. Well, I'm not giving it to you. Well, ma'am, if you don't give it to us, we're gonna arrest you. Well, take me to jail.
Yeah, I hope she get evicted.
Really?
Yep. Yeah,
Look,
really.
Why do you want?
Yeah, really.
You really want to face a charge
Yep.
for that just because
Yep.
you want to skew your
I'll take
you don't
one.
wanna skew your ID.
I'll take one.
Why? You're the
Give my
victim in this.
I am.
Okay, so
I
I
am. I
just
don't
need your
give
information.
Give me my shit so I can leave.
Yes.
Like, what are you talking
Once
about?
once we get that sorted out, you can leave. So do you have your license?
What do I need my license for?
So
ask her for hers.
Okay.
Ask the drunk bitch for hers.
She's going to jail.
She's in
So
handcuffs right now.
what's your last name, Miss?
Mathis. Sharia Mathis.
Can you spell it?
SHARIAMATHIS. Next. What you need?
M-A-T-H. Sorry, I'm a little slow. M-A-T-H-E-R?
Yep. Yes, you are.
I'm slow. You gotta work with me here. I got a broken hand, so come on. M-A-T.
It's on you. I got shit to do with me.
I'm sorry. M-A-T what?
M-A-T-H-I-S.
And your first name?
I gave it to you already.
One more time, please. Miss Mathis, please.
Oh, what?
What's your first name?
I don't have one.
You gotta have a first name. Come on.
I don't know how to spell it.
Your sister tried attacking you, so what's your first name?
She definitely did. She attacked me 3 times. That's on her.
What is your first name?
She rots in jail.
Were you spending time here?
Yeah.
Okay. How long were you living here? A week? Okay.
Okay.
Miss Mathis, what's your first name?
I wasn't living here. I just visited.
Okay. What's your first name?
I don't have one. I'm gonna go.
Can you're not free to leave.
I don't give a what I'm free to do.
Okay. Well, I'm not gonna let you leave. So, Miss Mathis, just give me your information.
I did already.
What's your first name?
I
don't have your birthday.
It's
what's your first name, Miss Mathis? What's your first name?
I gave it to you already. If you don't have it, that's on you.
What is it one more time?
I don't have it.
What is it one more time?
I don't have it.
You're not free to leave. I can touch you.
I don't care. No, you can't touch me. Take it.
Okay, fine. She's leaving. She don't want to give up any information, so.
She's the victim acting like this. This shit is crazy, man.
I gave you a name.
I don't
was gonna go for
I don't
tickets.
She needs to be signed on. No, I don't. She doesn't want to give it. You want to stop her? You want to stop her? She's leaving. Go ahead. Oh, God. Super uncooperative.
That boy gonna hop out the back. Don't close it all the way. They got that child safety lock on there now.
She doesn't. What's your
Then you go to the PD. Then you go.
Okay.
Just give us an ID.
Take my shit. Take my shit. I'm arrested.
Just give us your first name.
I did.
One more
I gave it to you 3 times. What are you talking about? I'm not giving you shit.
Any identification with you?
Nope, sure don't. Lock me up.
What's your last?
Yep. I don't have shit.
It's Mathis, but I can't get the first name.
Take it.
Or 10-4.
You put it, hey. You put it in your trunk?
Can you come here,
Bitch,
please?
make me,
Can you come here? Sir?
You putting it in your trunk or no?
Can you stop these?
Are you putting my shit in your
Why would
trunk
I
or
put my
no?
stuff in your trunk?
You just asked me. You said you finna arrest me, so arrest me.
I said we had.
You putting my shit where? Okay, do it.
Come here, please, Miss Matt.
Out to the square to move his truck.
Ask him. Give it to him 3.
She got a tattoo of her last name on her wrist there, or forearm, I should say, or the back of her forearm, whatever the fuck you call this goddamn part. What do you call this goddamn part? Whatever. The forearm is the inside, ain't it? So whatever you call this part here, man. Damn. So that way she don't forget it. Hopefully she don't forget her last name.
Ask him. Give it to him 3
He's
times.
asking for it. Different officer, so.
Oh, okay.
How do you spell your last name?
I don't know. Find it.
It's on her wrist.
Find it?
Yep.
This is ridiculous.
Okay.
Yep.
You're under arrest.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my God.
I gave it to him 3 times. What the f*** he needed for it? Ask him for
Apparently
it.
you didn't do a good enough job.
I did. What you talking about?
Thank you.
Rookie hoe. Yep, take my shit. Lock it up. As you seen, she attacked me just like she did in the house, which is why I grabbed my shit and I left. I told y'all shit. I told y'all everything. I told y'all shit 3 times. And y'all acting like y'all couldn't record it. So now lock me up. I told y'all 3 times. Fuck you talking about? I told him specifically 3 times. I don't have shit. I don't have shit.
Dude,
no, he asked me a question, bitch. Make me shut up, huh? Make me shut up.
You're going to jail, so come over here.
Okay? Never cared. Never cared. Do it.
Stupid.
Your mama. Bitch. Ooh.
Sometimes the people closest to you can cause the most damage.
This is just stupid. Like, this is just so stupid. You're the victim and you're giving the officers a hard time. I don't understand it. I really don't. They need some serious help, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.